Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the Forex daily video research from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Today we'll talk about the euro currency. Well, if you remember, during the previous week we have discussed, this is the daily time frame. We have discussed this area of resistance, that is 618 resistance from the whole swing down from this high to this low. Also, this was the weekly pivot resistance 1 for the previous week. So you can see market straight passed through it, but failed right here and show nice sell-off on Friday after the gross domestic product release. So in fact market has engulfed 1, 2, 3, almost the whole previous week price action. Well, this behavior in this area creates potentially a couple of possibilities for trading. First of all, this could be the bread and butter buy trade, or it could be double repo sell, or even market can just continue move to the upside. We don't know right now what it could be, but in general this is very good thrust to the upside. We will take a look in detail on another chart on this move, and this combination of this nice sell-off on Friday allows us to count on some possible directional patterns that could be formed in this area. Now let's take a look at the support areas. First area is right here, this dash blue line 136.32 is weekly pivot point for the coming week. Just below it 135.55 is first Fibonacci support from this reaction point, from this low to this high. Okay, the dash line is right here 135.10 is weekly pivot support 1. And the last one, important area for the coming week, I think maybe market can reach even this area, but this area is very important because this is daily confidence support 132.16, 134.16, 134.32 area, and weekly pivot support also this in this area. Also take a look, this is previous highs right here, also in this area, and I just want to remind you that this was the daily confluence resistance from this swing. This is 382 resistance was, and 618 from this swing. Okay, so now this is the daily confluence support. Now let's take a look at another chart, daily chart, and discuss the possibilities for different price action that could happen on Monday, maybe on Tuesday. First of all, we can see the excellent thrust to the upside. No one even single penetration of this green line. This is the 3x3 simple moving average. Market didn't show even the shallow retracement to the downside. Now market has shown the first penetration of the 3x3. For the double repo sell pattern, we do not want to see any meaningful retracement to the any solid Fibonacci support area. So if market will reach, I think, weekly pivot support this and then continue move to the upside, well in this case maybe we can treat this possible further development of the price right here as a double repo, but this more will be the double repo lookalike, because for the double repo we do not want to see deep retracement. Why? Because if market will show deep retracement, it means that some participants and maybe more participants already has fixed profit, and for the double repo we need the profit still stay on the table. In this case, when the market will show some move above the green line and close above the 3x3, the major part of participants will treat it like the continuation of the possible move to the upside. And if in this case market even show the new highs, this is much better, because in this case the new breakout traders will be involved in the possible move to the upside. They will enter on the breakout of the previous highs. Okay, when after that market again will show move to the downside and close below the 3x3, both of them will be on the wrong place. Furthermore, the breakout traders will be screamed let me out because they will be already in loss positions. This will be in fact the capitulation. After that, those participants who just hold the bullish positions and from this trust starts to fix profit and stops of the breakout traders will start triggered. This will lead to the acceleration to the downside. This is general how the double ripple works. Well, in general how it will can develop. First of all, we already have the close below the 3x3. Now we need close above it. Okay, and I prefer to establish new highs and then close below again. When the market on the daily time frame will close the second will show the second close below this green line, this will be the confirmation of the possible double ripple sell pattern. Okay, after that we can enter on the short side with some different possibilities. Maybe you can enter on the market, maybe you can enter some intraday retracement to the upside. This is not very important currently. I just want to show you what we can expect on the coming week on the daily time frame. This one of the possible scenarios, double ripple pattern. How we can check this? First of all, look at this weekly pivot point. Now market will open below it. If market on Monday will break above it and hold there, will not fail in this area, then do not enter on the short side, because for the enter on the short side we need that market holds below the weekly pivot. Okay, if it will not happen, then be patient, watch for the further development, because market can reestablish renew the previous highs, okay, and then turn to the possible double ripple forming. Of course, market just can continue move to the upside. We don't know currently what it can happen, but in general, if market will intend to form the double ripple, this could happen, and market should stay above the weekly pivot point. In this case, hold your positions, do not enter on the short side. If market on Monday will hold below the weekly pivot point, maybe show some retracement to the upside and fail there, well, this will be the context for the possible bread and butter buy, because in this case market can reach some further deeper support areas, this area 135 area roughly, or even this area 134.30 in this case. Okay, the double ripple buy pattern usually happens after the 2 or 3 closes below the green line, so market can show some deeper move to the downside. In this case we should look at lower time frames to estimate say possible ABCs that can give us agreements with this area with weekly pivot support to 1, or with this confluence support area. We do not know right now, but bread and butter assumes that market can reach some meaningful support area. This could be the weekly pivot point or daily confluence support. When market will reach it and will show some buy signals on the lower time frames, we can take it. The target of this possible bread and butter buy will be the 618 resistance from the whole opposite move to this initial thrust. This will be not small move, about 150, maybe 200 pips to the upside. Okay. Well, this couple of patterns that personally I will would like to see on the market in the coming week. Now let's take a look on the lower time frame on the hourly chart. Here we can see that initial sell-off on the hourly chart, levels of support. Well, we should expect something like that to enter on the bread and butter. For example, market now showing the initial sell-off, then it could turn to some retracement to the upside, and then continuation, some ABC pattern that would give us agreement, for example, with the weekly pivot support 1. Well, this is just how I draw it, but it's not necessarily will be the weekly pivot support 1. Maybe it even could be the somewhere between this area and confluence support. Okay, but I think that this area or this area can be used for the enter on the bread and butter trade. Well, this is what I will looking for on the intraday chart for the possible enter on the in the bread and butter. So that being said, the couple of scenarios that could happen on the market in coming week. First scenarios could be the double ripple buy. Well, it should start from the holding market above the weekly pivot point, above this blue line around 136.32. Okay, if it will happen, then don't just hold your horses, not enter on the short side, wait until further development on the market. This could be the double report. If market will fail around the weekly pivot point, okay, that's fine. Wait for some possible ABCs that formed on the market, estimate the possible areas targets of this retracement to the downside, and we can enter on the long side from the area where it will be, possibly a weekly pivot point or daily confidence support, with the target at least 618 resistance from the whole possible move to the downside, initial retracement. Okay, this will be the bread and butter pie.